Hi guys, on this car's Mini Cooper, this wheel is bolt was all slackened, and I'm gonna show you this rattling. As you can see, it's all these bolts, it's all loose. You can turn with your hands. Somebody left them loose, and it's a proper banging noise coming out from side of this car. Now we're gonna tie this wheel. For MOT, brought for MOT. Now we checked it. This tire was all slackened. It's not wheel not tight up. I don't know how this customer driving this car. As you can see, you turn it with your hands. All the tires moving about. A proper bang noise was coming from front. Banging noise. So all this wheels bolts is all loose, left loose, not tightened up. That's the issue with this. Now we tied this wheel bolts, all of them. Now it doesn't shake. As you can see, it stopped bubbling now. This customer left this bolt slackened, didn't tighten up. We done this job on this car's ball joint change, but he forgot to tie this bolt. Now it's sorted. Thank you guys.